Transform your OKR strategy with AssessTEAM's AI-generated objective key results for your entire team, top to bottom. Let's see how this works in real time by taking an example of an IT software company. Start by heading to the Goals and OKRs section. Select the Organizational Goals and click on Add a new organizational goal. Enter your objective. Deliver an exceptional product experience that drives growth and customer satisfaction. Select the objective type and the due date for the objective. Add a custom description to elaborate on your vision. Once you click on Use AI to generate key results, here's where the magic happens. The system will instantly generate 5 key results based on your business type and the objective you defined above. Let's move on to adding evaluators and due dates to our key results. The key result, reduce critical bugs by 50% by Q4 for the engineering team, will be evaluated by Catherine Webb and is due by December 31st. The key result, reduce average resolution time by 25% for the customer support team, will be evaluated by Lisa Ebert and is due by September 30th. The key result, increase positive product reviews by 30% for the sales team, will be evaluated by Richard Pearson and is due by March 31st. The key result, achieve 90% customer satisfaction rating for the customer support team, will be evaluated by Rebecca Marks and is due by September 30th. The key result, improve app load time by 20% for the engineering team, will be evaluated by Ronald Wesley and is due by June 30th. You can also add a new key result manually to customize your OKR strategy. Once that's set, it's time to schedule evaluations. Select the evaluation frequency and pick a send date to dispatch your evaluations. Completing reviews is just as simple. Navigate to the Pending Evaluation section and click Start Evaluation. Select your answer, add notes and file attachments where needed, and click Finish Evaluation to wrap it up. You can also choose to sign off on the evaluations for added authenticity. For even more insights, head back to the OKR dashboard to track metrics such as Net Confidence Score outcome and the last evaluation status of the team members on their assigned objectives and key results. With AI-generated key results, you'll align goals faster, track progress effortlessly, and empower teams to achieve meaningful outcomes, making your OKR strategy smarter, stronger, and easier to execute.